Introducing the 2026 Chevrolet C8 Corvette, a blend of iconic performance and modern design. This year, Chevy has reimagined the Corvette's interior, focusing on driver comfort and technological advancement. The most significant change: the elimination of the infamous wall of buttons. Previously, a vertical array of controls divided the cabin, often criticized for its cluttered appearance and ergonomic challenges. In its place, Chevrolet has introduced a sleeker center console, featuring a more intuitive layout that enhances the sense of space and accessibility for both driver and passenger. Gear. The 2026 Corvette boasts a trio of digital screens: a 12.7-inch digital instrument cluster, a 14-inch central infotainment display, and a 6.6-inch auxiliary touchscreen. This setup offers customizable views and improved access to vehicle information. Additional enhancements include ambient lighting, strategically placed USB-C ports, and a wireless charging pad with a secure cover, ensuring your devices stay charged and in place during spirited drives. Chevrolet also offers fresh interior color schemes, including an asymmetrical design, with adrenaline red for the driver and jet black for the passenger, catering to diverse aesthetic preferences. With these thoughtful updates, the 2026 C8 Corvette continues to evolve, marrying its legendary performance with a refined, driver-centric interior.